Morning everyone, my name is M. Ditvesh. I am studying in 8th standard at KB School. Now I am going to explain about area and perimeter of plane figures. Rectangle. Area of rectangle L into B. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B, where L is equals to length, B is equals to breadth. Square. Area of square S into S. Perimeter of square 4 into S, where S is equals to side. Quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral half into D into H1 plus H2. Area of perimeter of quadrilateral P plus Q plus R plus S, where D is equals to diagonal, H1 H2 is equals to altitudes, PQ RS is equals to sides. Triangle. Area of triangle half into base into height. Perimeter of triangle A plus B plus C, where H is equals to altitudes, AC is equals to sides, B is equals to base. Parallelogram. Area of parallelogram B into H. Perimeter of parallelogram 2 into A plus B, where H is equals to altitudes, A is equals to side, B is equals to base. Rhombus. Area of rhombus half into D1 into D2. Perimeter of rhombus 4 into S, where D1 D2 is equals to diagonals, H is equals to altitudes, S is equal to side. Trapezium. Area of trapezium half into A plus B into H. Perimeter of trapezium A plus B plus C plus D, where AB is equals to parallel sides, CD is equals to non-parallel sides, H is equals to altitudes. Circle. Area of circle pi r square. Perimeter of circle 2 pi r. Pi is equals to 22 by 7. R is equals to radius. Thank you, sir.